Hi, my name is Matthew Adams. I'm a solution architect here at Elastic, and I'm going to talk today about the new ODBC driver for Elasticsearch. And I'm going to show you how you can connect Microsoft Excel to Elasticsearch. So if you're interested in the ODBC driver, you can come to this page and it will show you the download and installation instructions, including the prerequisites and the Windows installer. I'm not going to run through installing the driver today, but you can follow these instructions. Once it's installed, you need to go to the ODBC administrator to add it as a data source. So we'll do that now. We'll add a new data source and select the Elasticsearch driver, and then give a descriptive name like Elastic. And then you'll need to provide the host name and port information. In this case, I'm using an Elastic cluster that's hosted in Elastic Cloud. So the host name and the port. In Elasticsearch, I've created an ODBC user with the correct privileges. So I'm going to add that information in here. And I need to test the connection, which was successful, so that's good. So close this, save it. And next I'm going to go to Excel and show you how you can now get data from Elasticsearch using Excel. So I'm going to create a new worksheet. And I'm going to go to Data and get you new data. And if you go to Other Sources and ODBC, you should now be able to select Elastic. And then you can add the SQL that you need to select the correct data. So in this case, I've got a SQL statement pre-prepared that will select some raw data from tube status data. So here we're selecting a few columns from a month's worth of data, and I'm limiting it to 1,000 rows. There you go, you can see the preview of the data. Click load, and it will load that data into the sheet. But what that's not doing is using the power of Elastic to do the aggregation for you. So I'm going to show you a different SQL command where we can pre-aggregate the data and bring far less data back into Elastic. So you run through the same process. So add data from other sources, ODBC. I'm going to change the SQL statement to pre-aggregate the data for you. So that means you can query large amounts of data without bringing it all back into Excel. So here I'm counting the status for a particular tube line over that month. So this is the Bakerloo line. Hit OK. It's going to show you the summary data, and there you go. We've now connected to Elasticsearch. We've brought back both the original documents and aggregated numbers, which you can then use for analysis in Excel. And I hope you all agree that was pretty quick and easy. And this will dramatically extend the audience which can start using the power of Elasticsearch. So thanks for listening today.